something we talk about is tariffs are distortionary and regressive, and they do raise prices on US businesses and consumers. But could you kind of break that down in plain English, particularly the distortionary and regressive part?
Yeah, so a tariff is just a tax on an imported good. So if I want to buy something and I have to bring it in, or if I'm a business and I source something, let's say it costs $100, now we put a 10% tax on it. Now it essentially costs me $110. So it increases costs. And the reason that's distortionary is because it discourages you from purchasing what you would have wanted to otherwise. As far as regressive, that means that tariffs create a higher tax burden on working class Americans, on poorer Americans, and middle class households than they do on wealthier households. Lower income households typically don't have very much left over, if any at all, to save at the end of the day, at the end of the year. They are consuming all of their income. Wealthier households don't consume all of their income. They can pay for what they need, they can pay for their necessities, their luxuries, and then they also have a lot of money left over to save. Tariffs hit consumption, they're a tax on consumption. So if you're consuming more of your income, which lower and middle income households tend to do, then you are bearing more of the burden. Your income is being hit by the tax more often than a higher income household. So that's why we see, like, if you look at one of the charts that we've produced, it shows how much after tax income will shrink by different income levels. The top 1% sees a smaller negative effect from tariffs than everybody else does.